Large intestine 2 is located near the knuckle of your index finger. To locate large intestine 2, make a loose fist. Now put your finger on the side of the knuckle of your index finger, right over here. Next, move towards the tip of your index finger till you find the spot that is just above the knuckle, like this. Right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 2. Activate large intestine 2 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have an acupressure instrument called a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate large intestine 2 on your other hand.